today we come to do one BYD seal suction door warranty, because when you install the suction door, previously we were using this method. What we call that, this method is the motor. So you see, the motor should be inserted here. Previously, using double-sided tape, you can see in front of this. Okay, let's check it. So this is the motor for the traction lock. So this behind the door already peer out. Let's see, check it. So this is the double-sided motor. Look like this. Look like this. So not really strong enough. So now we change another method. No more using double-sided tape, but we put in here below all the mirror. So I have to carefully attach in this place. Same goes to here. So it will not avoid the mirror also, and avoid the, what do you call that, double-sided tape loosen. So it's a better installation method which we now only know it. Sorry guys for the previous owner. So we promise that future we will done the best for you. After done, no more motor in this side. You see the marking, right? Motor should be bottom here. Same. So motor will be here. Below down here. No more motor. Motor will be here.
If you guys like our video, please share it out, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell button to get notification for our upcoming video.